Alright, welcome back to another video of Davian's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing ringtones and sounds on the Molorola Droid Turbo on Verizon. So as we go to settings here, we go to sounds and notifications. We're going to do phone ringtone first. Start with this one. This one does have the same ringtone as the Molorola Droid Turbo, Razr HD, and the Pantech Breakout. So, let's get started. Starting with the first ringtone here. Gonna turn this up for you. This one also has the same ringtones as the Blueview Mega. Now we move on to the notification ringtones. Those ones are the same ringtones as the Molorola Droid Razr HD, Pantech Breakout, and the RCA Voyager 3, which I destroyed due to digitizer issues. Now that's going to do with me with the ringtones from the Molorola Droid Turbo on Verizon. This is Davian's phone collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you again in my next video.